Okay, we're selling a Craftsman 6.5 horsepower chipper shredder in great condition, very little use. I bought it from secondhand, and I don't know if they ever used it, and I used it lightly in my yard, but I really don't have a use for it, and so it's for sale. And we'll go ahead and start it, show you how easily it does start. It's a heavy duty motor. Three-inch branch chipping capacity. Like I said, drop-down hopper, so you can rake your leaves in, or brush or debris, whatever, or feed branches in through this hopper here. Okay, that's it. If you have any questions, want to take it for come in for an inspection, let me know. Thanks.